Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the future with an epic foldable phone showdown. Get ready as we pit the Huawei Mate XT, Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, Huawei Mate XTS, and the Motorola Razr Fold against each other. Who folds best? Let's find out. When it comes to screen real estate, the Huawei Mate XT and XTS offer the biggest canvas, perfect for serious multitasking. The Motorola Razr Fold, while smaller, still gives you an expansive view. For crispness, the Motorola Razr Fold truly shines with its incredibly sharp display. The Huawei Mate devices also deliver excellent clarity, while Samsung provides a good but slightly less pixel-dense experience. Motorola dominates with incredible peak brightness. The Mate XTS's 90 Hz refresh rate feels a step behind. Motorola's cover screen is a highlight, offering full Android apps and robust protection. Huawei's unique dual display setup is notable. Motorola and Samsung lead the pack with their cutting-edge Snapdragon processors, ensuring top-tier performance. Huawei's Kirin chipsets are capable, but they trail slightly in raw power. Motorola and Samsung deliver incredibly fast processing, perfect for demanding apps and seamless multitasking. The Huawei devices, while efficient, offer slightly less raw horsepower for intensive tasks. For gaming and graphics, Motorola and Samsung's Adreno GPUs are absolute beasts, offering unparalleled performance. Huawei's Millennium GPUs are solid, but can't quite match the top-tier competition. In raw power, Motorola absolutely crushes the competition, setting new benchmarks. Samsung follows with impressive scores, delivering a super fluid experience. Huawei's devices, while capable, trail behind in this intense race. Samsung grabs attention with its massive 200-megapixel main sensor, promising incredible detail. Motorola impresses with an all-50-megapixel setup, including a versatile ultra-wide and telephoto. Huawei stands out with its impressive 5.5x optical zoom periscope lens. Motorola and Samsung lead the way with stunning 8K video recording and advanced HDR capabilities, perfect for content creators. Huawei's offerings are strong, but don't quite reach that cinematic level. Huawei impresses with intelligent variable aperture and a powerful 5.5x optical zoom. Motorola's night vision is great for low light, while Samsung boasts adaptive pixel sensors for superior detail. Motorola takes the lead here with a high-resolution selfie camera and an even sharper cover camera for amazing versatility. Samsung offers a dual-camera setup, while Huawei provides a capable, standard wide-angle lens. Motorola takes the crown for endurance with the largest battery. All devices offer substantial power to get you through the day, ensuring you stay connected. Motorola's Moto AI and FlexView hinge are incredibly smart. Samsung offers DeX desktop experience, while Huawei boasts satellite calling. Motorola offers the most accessible entry into this premium segment. Huawei's Mate XT is the priciest of these cutting-edge foldables.